Hello, I'm Aaron Blank, and I've been a member of the Gorman-Rupp team for 20 years. I began my career in the field service department and advanced into the role of customer support manager for engineered systems. Today, I proudly serve as the Gorman-Rupp Academy manager. Drawing on my experience, I focus on providing both distributors and end users with the knowledge they need to succeed. Whether you're just getting started with pumps and systems or looking to deepen your expertise, the Academy offers hands-on training seminars tailored to your role in the industry. I conduct seminars at our corporate headquarters in Ohio and at our training and distribution center in Texas. Both are fully equipped for real-world interactive learning. Every seminar I lead is designed to help you confidently apply, operate, and maintain our pumps, ensuring lasting reliability and performance in the field. I'm the Gorman-Rupp Academy manager, and we are the Pump People.